and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something. It's made in South Korea. This is a variety that's packaged and ready for the U.S. market. This is Tangle from Samyang Foods. This is their Bulgogi Alfredo Tangluccine. Tangluccine. What the heck? I don't know. But, sounds good. So, how you doing? It's September now, and episodes of the show are now in the state of being for February. Here's what the noodle looks like. I decided since it's really dark outside, I wouldn't turn on the top light, so it's going to be dark inside. In this episode. Start 5.5 minutes on this one. Definitely a non-fried noodle, that's for sure. So, what? Oh, we need this too. This is the flake sachet. So, bulgogi is like a really good beef and sauce dish from South Korea. Hopefully you've had it. If you haven't, then you're missing out. But yeah, let's put it down a little bit. This is an interesting one. I'm curious how this will all work out. But yeah, it's getting seasonal this season. With seasonality. Well seasoned. And it's been a little while since I've been doing stuff and things from the book of books, the holiest book of all. This is a book of quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle, Momofuku Ando. Ando Momofuku-san. Human beings are noodle beings. This is from the founder of Nissan Food Products Company Limited. Not the company that makes the product I'm reviewing today, but very much, very relevant to the instant noodle industry. So we're gonna do the new thing that you guys seem to like and have asked for. I wanted to watch noodles being cooked. Well, now you are. So that is all you. I kind of like how the clock reflects on the deal there. That's kind of neat. Little added bonus. Almost looks fake. It's not fake. Believe me, it's not a fake deal. But I'll read you a couple quotes out of here. I'll just randomly pick some quotes. Here's number 291. Golf is a struggle with oneself. The words of a person who has endured a struggle contain much philosophy. He really likes golf. Corporate, older Japanese gentleman. Number 59. Gather information with your own eyes and ears. Okay. Number 122. I am a living witness. What could be more persuasive? Okay. Number 208. This is really short. Become irreplaceable. I like that one. These are like the Ferengi rules of acquisition for noodle CEOs. I swear. Number 251. Too much salt is bad for you, but no salt at all makes food bland. What is important is balance. True. That's 257, actually. I think I said it was 251. 286. Don't worry. If I go, the rain will let up. Referring to his purported penchant for bringing sunny weather wherever he went. That's cool. But yeah, this is a super cool book. I want to thank Taku-san from Myojo USA for sending me this. This is like one of the coolest things I have related to instant noodles. But here is Momofuku Ando. The dearly departed godfather of the instant noodle. And nowadays, the company that he founded is run by his son, Koki Ando. And there was a book I read, I can't remember what it was, but when his father was developing the first instant noodle, which was chicken ramen, they had chickens. And he was afraid of chickens. And I don't think he is anymore, considering that what he does and what he's able to do in the company, it was basically founded on something that was part to he must thank the chicken for its existence and the people's love for chicken. He doesn't have to, but I mean, I think he probably likes chickens now. Probably doesn't like to carry them around. I don't know. If I was a little kid, I'd be kind of freaked out at chickens. They're weird. They'll peck your eye out. Okay, so here's our Tangluccine. It's a non-fried. It looks just like fettuccine, but I think maybe it's a play on words. So we've got a liquid base. Right here. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is kind of change up all my reviewing. I am like, this is going to be review 4,780, right? I just posted a review 4,582, so I'm just almost exactly 200 reviews ahead of the game. So what I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll try to just do a review a day. I was doing 4, and I think at this point, if I just do 1 a day, it won't make me so far ahead, or it'll keep me this far ahead, which is handy for a lot of things, but it won't take up so much time. And I've found recently that time is more precious than I thought it was before. So I'm going to give that a go, and I don't think there'll be an issue with that. I might even just like say screw it for a little while, and that was my original plan. I may still do that. I may just say, okay, well, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Good things, good things. So this is not what I... okay, so it's going to be beefy is the idea. It's saucy, that's for sure. The sauce is set up well. But, yeah, I suppose we should give this a try. God, it makes my dome look really, like, white. I don't know. Yeah, I like being bald. I could grow hair back if I wanted to, but I've got this little thingy and I shave my head every day. Had nothing to do with politics. It's just nice. So here is our noodle. Let's give it a try. It's nice, saucy. The noodle's great. I mean, it tastes like pasta. I mean, it has a good chew to it. Not too much of this, not too little of that. It's believable. The bits of flake are all right. They hydrated well. Yeah, this is good. I mean, if this is what you want, it is as advertised. I would say that tastes like a kind of like a beef fettuccine and beef. But I don't have any beef. So I'll do something. Oh wait. I see bits. I'm not seeing the bits that I... Yeah, like that. Curious if that's TVP. No, that's like mushroom. Is that too? So. Alright. Now, what am I going to do with this? Well, like I said, I'm beefless and beefington. The only downside of only doing one review a day is I can't like let you know what the next one that I'm going to review is going to be, which is kind of a best practices thing. It's like the whole idea is that you're like roping somebody in. Here's what the next one's going to be. Stay tuned. Watch tomorrow. Be excited. But I think you know that I'm going to review something. You're going to see an episode pretty much every day, so I don't think you need to worry about that. I know it's pork, but it works. Got some spring onion. So it's meteorological fall now. I think some crushed red pepper would be apropos here. We've all gotten a kind of weird sick. We're almost kind of entertaining the idea, hey, maybe it's that stuff. We don't want that stuff, but hopefully it's not that yuck. Let's let Rotato do its thing. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Because it's going to finish this music and then it's going to play different music, and then that's what's going on right about now. Alright, well that's it from me. Thanks for watching. You're going to see another one of these episodes tomorrow. And I don't know. There'll be something cool. Yeah. So, all is well here at Ramen Raider World headquarters. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day.